अपनी आज़ादी को मिटा नहीं सकते, अपनी आज़ादी को मिटा नहीं सकते, सिर कटा सकते, झुका नहीं सकते. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
My name is Pratyushan and today is our presentation session. Do you know about a country which is in the first rank of the population?
India.
Yes, I am talking about India. India, which is on the top rank of world in the population, which is very vast country. There are many people who live in India and also have this diversity in unity, which means ekta in Hindi. It means that there are many religions and also caste in India, but we live together by ourselves. In 2023, the population of India was 163.43 crores, which is the top rank of the world. It was also in the top rank of world in 2024 by doing back of the China. The language which is spoken in India is mainly Hindi, but the peoples of India are mostly trying to speak English for their improvement, and they think that they will be back in the progress of their country and the world. The population of India is very high and very dangerous for our world, because if there will be very much peoples, it will be there very much the less of food and water, which will be bad for all over the country. Now onwards, the baby boys are mainly very less in India because of the population of girls. If there will be very much girls and very less boys, it will be also not balance our condition and also bad for our country. In the world, mainly girls are producing by their mother's stomach, which is also bad. The males baby are not coming, and this is very bad. There are many persons in India who have jobs. Some are literate, unliterate, and some are workshops and other things for their shelter and food. Every person of India want job because they want money for their shelter, food, and their children for they grow and go to schools and be good in their studies, which every people of India want. There are two types of India job. One is government and one is private. The government job, which is very less effort and have very much salary, and in the private job we have to do very much hard work and we get very less money, which is also not permanent. In India, we can see very much poor people, rich people, billionaires, and other type of peoples, which is also good for our India. In India, we also do worship of many gods like Lord Shiv, Lord Krishna, and others who are in our mind. We worship them, for they think that it will be good and the God will listen our thoughts and complete it. It is also good for our physical growth, because when any woman or man do not eat for one day, they get their physical state. Just like Navratri, in which we have to eat only fruits, or we do not have to eat anything, which also maintain our body balance, which is also good for our health. India population, in which we can see girls, boys, children, male, female, and very old persons. When any people become very ill, they die, and which controls our India population. in 1 second, when any people's children born, then any two old peoples die, which also control our balance of India. In India, we can see many shops and also restaurant and other things which are available in our country. We can also see big billionaires and many billionaires in all over the world. Just like in India, there is Mukesh Ambani, who have many companies who runs it. It is very big company like Reliance, Jio, which is famous in all over the India. Every people of India like to use their SIM for the fast networking. Now onwards we can see 5G, which is also fast in India. The India is very vast country, which is also not very much vast. Like if we will see Russia, it is more bigger than our country India, but in the population the India is more bigger and in the top rank. Before some years, the China was the top rank of before the India, but now we can see it is on the top rank, because in India there are many people who born and very much people die. We can also see the wastage of food in India, which is also bad for our environment, because many people sleep without eating their food and many people throw their food. That is also bad for our country, because it is also known as the wastage, and it is also bad because some people throw food and some don't get for eating. There is also very much wastage of water, which is also bad, which we can see like on the street there is very much water, the tap is running, which is also the wastage. We can see in the world only 1% of water is used for drinking, but from that very much quantity of water is freezed, and we are just destroying our environment, from which the glacier is melting, which is also bad for our human being and also bad for our country. It is also bad for our world, not only for our country. We can also see many people who have very much money and some people who do not have money. They use their talent for showing to all over the world. Just like Leonardo da Vinci, who is a great artist of the world and also painted the famous painting which is also known as Mona Lisa, which is not a real painting of any human. It was just a thinking of the Leonardo da Vinci. Just like we can also see the Picasso, who is also a great painter and also very famous in all over the world. We can see also many people who use their talent for their money and income. Just like there are many jobs in India. In the many jobs, the best job is government job, in which we get very much salary. In India population, there are mostly girls, which is also bad. We can also see many women working on the hills or any plain place, which is also bad for their health, but they use their physical body for the money, which is also good for their for eating and everything. Thank you.